Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then you can go in YouTube and search ER stuff and you can subscribe this channel. We have already posted 3 lecture on Java series. So this will be our 4th lecture, and in this lecture we will going to cover the constructor topic. So let us quickly move to our notepad. So what is constructor if we tell in Java? So basically constructor are the special type of member method which automatically get called whenever an object is created. So basically constructor can be used to initialize any variable. So for that I will be showing you the program of the constructor. So let me quickly design a class with cons name. I will then inside this I will declare a variable with name A and B. Then I will write the constructor. So how to write the constructor? So for constructor you have to just write the class name, that is cons, and the function brackets. Then you have to open the curly braces, and inside that you have to initialize the variable which you have declared in this class cons. So I have declared a variable name with A and another variable name with B. So you have to initialize constructor A. Suppose I am initializing A as 20, and then I am initializing B as 40. So and after that I am closing the braces. So what is the work of the constructor? So it is basically used to initialize the variable which you have declared in this class. So okay, so now I will be designing the main class. So for that I will be writing class, and any name you can give of your class. Suppose I am giving ABC, then inside that I am writing the public static void method, that and you have to open the curly braces. Here you have to create the object of your cons class. So for creating object I will be writing cons an object name, that is I am using obj as an object name. I'm using obj as an object name. Then you have to write obj is equal to new, and then you have to write the cons, that is class name. With this our constructor will be called, but you can see here I am only calling the constructor, but I haven't displayed the value of A and B. So for that you can create a method here, that is I am creating void display. Any name you can give of your method. I am using a display name for your convenience. So I am basically inside this method I am displaying the value of A and B. So you can write system.out.println for displaying the value of A. I will be writing inside double quote A is equal to, I have to write concat the string. So basically I am concating that. Then again you have to write the same thing for B. So I will be copying this. For B. Now the value which we have initialized of A and B will be displayed using this method. So for that we have to call this method. So for calling you have to write object name dot method name. So method name we have designed as display. So we will write display, that's all. Then you have to close the class and your program is finished. Now we will check is this program is correct or not. So for that you have to first save this program. So I am saving this program in my Java series folder as name as cons.java. Okay, now our program is saved. So now we will check whether it is running or not. So for that I will be opening the command prompt. I have already taught you how to open the command prompt when you are in the folder. So for that in the address tab you have to just write cmd and hit enter. Your command prompt will get opened. You have to first here compile the program. For compiling you have to write java c cons dot java. So here you can see I have got an error that reached end of the file while parsing, means I have missed some curly braces and in my program, so it is giving me an error. So I will check where I have missed the curly braces. So okay, here I have made the curly braces. For more clearance you can give the indentation. So okay, so I have given the indentation. Now you can check it is looking good. So I will be saving this again. So I am running the program java c cons.java. So you can see our program is successfully compiled. So now I will be running the program. For that I have to write java and the main class name. So I have saved the main class name as abc. So you can see I have got the output as a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 40, which I have displayed in our program. So I hope you have understood the work of constructor, that it is basically used to initialize the variable of our class. So you can call this constructor as a default constructor because it is not taking any argument. We haven't passed an argument here, so you can call it as default constructor. So I hope you have understood the program. So in the next video I will be coming up with the next topic. So till then, take care, bye bye, thank you.